Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a house out of popsicle sticks. First, gather your materials. You'll need around 200 standard popsicle sticks, a reliable craft glue or a hot glue gun, and a cutting tool. Also, ensure you have a flat, protected surface to work on. Having everything ready before you begin will make the building process much smoother and more enjoyable. Begin by forming the base of your house. Lay 10 popsicle sticks side by side and glue them together to create a solid foundation. Next, start building your walls. Use a log cabin style, alternating the direction of the sticks at the corners. Apply glue sparingly but firmly, allowing each layer to dry slightly before adding the next. This ensures stability as your walls grow taller. Now let's tackle the roof. Create 2 triangular gable ends by gluing sticks together. These will support your roof panels. Then, lay sticks across these gables, overlapping slightly to form the roof. You can also add decorative elements like small window frames or a tiny door. Be creative with your design, making your house unique and charming. For the final touches, inspect your house for any weak spots and reinforce them with a bit more glue. Once completely dry, you can personalize your creation with paint, markers, or other small decorations. This is your chance to make it truly yours. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing handmade popsicle stick house.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.